silence feels so strong. There is a whisper in the air, a quiet promise everywhere. Through the shadows comes the light, breaking softly through the night. Hope awakens in my soul, like a river flowing whole. Light of the morning, carry me home over the mountains, wherever I roam. Spirit of heaven, guide my way into the beauty of a brighter day. Chineke, lead my heart, never let the light depart. Over valleys filled with rain, over every hidden pain, there is peace beyond the storm, where the silent dreams are born. Every star above the sea sings a song of destiny, calling hearts to rise again, far beyond the fear and pain. Light of the morning, carry me home over the mountains, wherever I roam. Spirit of heaven, stay by my side, forever my hope and my guide. Chineke, lead my heart, from your love I'll never part. Chineke, light of the morning, carry me home over the oceans, wherever I'm lost. Spirit of heaven, stay by my side, forever my home and my guide. Chineke, lead my heart, from your love